Welcome to the human oral cavity, home to millions of tiny microorganisms. Here, everyone has a role. Bacteria maintain balance, saliva keeps things clean, and then there is Candida albicans, a small yeast living peacefully. Most of the time, Candida is a good citizen, eating little, causing no trouble, and even helping maintain harmony. But when conditions change, it can reveal its aggressive side. One day, things may shift. Antibiotics might wipe out protective bacteria, the immune system might weaken, or dental appliances may create damp corners that encourage yeast growth. Candida senses opportunity and begins to grow and transform. In a remarkable change, the yeast shifts from its usual form into a long filamentous Hyphal form, allowing it to invade tissues and release enzymes that break down the mucosal barrier. Infection begins and inflammation follows. Oral candidiasis can appear in many forms: white, creamy patches that can be wiped away, red inflamed areas without white coating, thick stubborn white plaques that cannot be removed easily, painful cracks at the corners of the mouth, or red patches on the midline of the tongue. Each form tells a different clinical story. To diagnose the infection, the clinician collects an oral swab and examines it under a microscope, or cultures it on special media, or uses specific stains to highlight fungal elements. In some chronic cases, a biopsy may be required to confirm the infection. Treatment starts by removing predisposing factors, such as poor oral hygiene, ill-fitting dentures, dry mouth, or uncontrolled diabetes. Then, antifungal medications are used, either topical or systemic, depending on the severity. Cleaning dentures is also essential to prevent reinfection. Candida is clever. It builds protective biofilms and can resist certain drugs. With emerging species like Candida glabrata and Candida auris, accurate diagnosis and targeted therapy are critical. After treatment, the mouth returns to balance, with Candida present in a harmless, controlled form. This teaches us an important lesson about the delicate equilibrium within the oral ecosystem. Knowing the microbes, respecting balance, and maintaining oral health are responsibilities of every dental professional. All right, future dentists, before we finish this video, let's go over the absolute must-know points for exams. First and most important, classification. This is pure memorization. Remember this word: PEHAM. P, pseudomembranous; E, erythematous; H, hyperplastic; A, angular cheilitis; M, median rhomboid glossitis. If you know these, you've already secured a big part of the question. Here's a classic exam trick. White lesion can be wiped off. Think pseudomembranous. White lesion cannot be removed. Be careful, this could be hyperplastic, and that one is important because it can be pre-malignant. Now, the most common exam question: why did candidiasis happen? Use this mnemonic: dishes. D, diabetes; I, immunosuppression; S, steroids; H, poor hygiene, especially dentures; E, elderly or xerostomia; S, smoking. In most case-based questions, you'll find at least two of these. Diagnosis is easy, but here's the trap. You can find Candida albicans normally in the mouth, but that does not mean infection. You need clinical signs plus confirmation, like KOH smear, special stains, or culture. Treatment: you must remember these names. For mild cases, nystatin, clotrimazole. For more severe cases, fluconazole. And don't forget, if the patient wears dentures, you treat the patient and the denture. If you want extra marks, Candida is smart. It forms biofilms and can resist treatment. And important species include Candida glabrata and Candida auris. These often appear in modern MCQs. Final warning points. Chronic candidiasis can be pre-malignant, and it may indicate serious systemic conditions like uncontrolled diabetes or immunosuppression. If you remember just 4 things, make them these: classification, risk factors, clinical presentation, treatment. Understand them, memorize them, and no exam question on candidiasis will stop you. And if you want to master treatment even more, make sure to watch the next video where we break down antifungal drugs in a simple and exam-focused way.